Hi, this is Swati, and in today's video, we will see a very important theorem 1.5 of chapter 1, class 10, real numbers. So let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates. Terminates means the remainder is 0. So what is a rational number? You know that a rational number is of the form of p by q, where p and q are co-prime numbers. So in which case that the decimal expansion terminates is if q is of the form of 2 power m into 5 power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. So here we will factorize, we will find the factors of the q, that is the denominator, and see if it is of this form. If it is of this form, then the decimal expansion terminates. Let us see some examples. 3 by 8. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So basically it is 3 by 2 cube. Now since the denominator is of the form of 2 power n, so yes, it terminates. Now next one, 13 by 125. 13 by 125 is basically 5 into 5 into 5, which is 13 by 5 cube. Now here again the denominator is of the form of 5 power m. So therefore it terminates. Let's see one more example. 7 by 18. So 7 divided by 80 is 8 into 10. So 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, and 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So basically this is 7 by 2 power 4, 5 power 1. So now again this is in the form of 2 power n, 5 power m. So therefore, this is also terminating. That means the remainder is 0. So it can be of 2 power n or 5 power m or 2 power n 5 power m. If it is in the form of any of these, then it terminates. The decimal expansion terminates. I hope this is clear. Thank you.